everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Today we're cooking and we're making some shrimp Alfredo. This is like my go-to meal. It's very easy. I don't like the Alfredo sauce that you buy in the the bottle, the jar. Like the Ragu brand or the Prego brand or whatever brand they have. I normally don't like it, so I learned how to make my own. And all you need is some heavy cream. This is right from, y'all already know it, Walmart. And then I got some Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, Italian dressing, crucial, some black pepper, and some butter. And then your shrimp. I got the cooked shrimp from Walmart and I just seasoned it up. And it's been in the fridge since last night I did that, so that's what we have here. And then I am gonna use some fettuccine noodles. I usually use bow tie noodles just because I like the smaller type noodle. Like I don't like the whole like spaghetti unless it's spaghetti, but you know, to each his own. And yeah, today we're using fettuccine, like the average Alfredo. I already got my water going. It's not boiling yet. It's not boiling yet, so we're waiting for it to boil. But we're gonna work on our Alfredo sauce while we waiting for that to boil, because it does take a little while, just a little while, to get thick and gel. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get right into this delicious meal. Before y'all wondering, my refrigerator freezes everything, so that heavy cream definitely has ice in it. No, I'm not feeding my family spoiled stuff. Okay, so basically I would usually just recommend about 3/4 of that size bottle, but I had some left over, and then I hate putting a little bit in the fridge because it always go to waste, so I just use the whole thing. But it definitely becomes more once it cooks, so you know, you don't need that much unless you like your Alfredo sauce very thick. You would use a lot, but if you like it a little bit more subtle, then yeah, you would use about 3/4 of the bottle. So basically I just poured that in. I put a whole stick of butter up in there. If you use 3/4, you would use about 3/4 of the butter versus the whole butter. And then we just go ahead and season it.
All year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone. Just trying to make a week spend. I know you wanted me home. Don't understand why you split. This is not another love song. Girl, you got me and me sprung on. Loving like you know your pick stand. Curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no. Now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie.
Now once you feel like it's seasoned to your liking, you can start working on your pasta. I put some oil and I put some garlic inside of my pasta water, and yeah, I just let that boil. And normally I break my pasta, but when it comes to the Alfredo, I like to keep it long. If I'm gonna do the fettuccine, like I said, if I do the bow tie, I just let the bow tie do what it do, but this one I just leave it long. But you know, you just do it as you wish. Pasta is pasta. It will taste the same regardless of the size.
Tethering, but you're still right here, so are you riding, are you dead in me?
As y'all can see, I'm working on the pasta and I'm just letting the Alfredo sauce just cool out, because that's what it's all about. Like, the Alfredo sauce is just thickening up. I like to occasionally, you know, why is my English like this? I like to occasionally stir. You know, you don't want it to start getting all stuck to the bottom of the pan, so we occasionally stir. And yeah. And I always be right. So once the butter melts all the way, I start adding in the Parmesan cheese. This is a key point to the thickness of the Alfredo. I don't know about y'all, but I recommend a decent amount of cheese, okay? Like, what is Alfredo sauce without the Parmesan cheese? So once I got the cheese all in, I'm just stirring it up. As you can see, it's still like a very thin consistency. And you just keep on stirring. Watch that baby thicken on up, okay? Trust the process. Trust the process. As y'all can see, it's thickening up. See, just a couple of seconds later. Now, okay, and the video is like more like a couple minutes, but yeah, it starts thickening up over time as the heat goes on. Take me to your soul. So I definitely taste it once I add everything in. If I feel like it needs more seasoning, I am not afraid to add that, and I don't want y'all to be afraid either, because this meal is about flavor. You're making your own sauce, you gotta make sure it is flavorful, okay? So as y'all can see, I'm just adding a bit more. I put some onion powder in there. Yes, I did. Sure did. That is optional. You know, it doesn't make a big difference if you do or you don't, but I recommend it. Yeah, it's bomb, y'all. So bomb. But now we're gonna get to our noodles. The pasta is ready. As y'all can see, it is al dente. And I'm just slowly adding that Alfredo sauce in, slowly adding it and mixing it up. Now with the shrimp, y'all, so you know how you season the shrimp separately? When you add it into that sauce, it's gonna make it taste amazing. It's gonna give it all of that extra flavor, plus the flavor from the Alfredo sauce that you already added. Yo, y'all about to be eating right. Y'all don't even understand. Now I would recommend some chicken too, but I just didn't have no chicken breast, some spinach, some broccoli, all of that, but I just didn't have that stuff. But I definitely recommend it because it tastes so good with the Alfredo sauce. So like I was saying, I did cook my pasta al dente, so it was like a little hard to, you know, like the Italians make it. So I do that because I like to cover my Alfredo and just let it sit for a bit so it thickens it up, and it also cooks the noodles a little bit more and get it perfect. And that's it, guys. This meal is ready. That's it. That's all you have to do. Your family is ready to eat. Look at that. Look at that creamy goodness. And this was my plate. Yeah, added some parsley on top. And my family, we ready to eat. It is my family's fave meal. Let's just hear what my husband has to say.
I can see y'all.
Yo, crazy, dog. Yeah.
I do sing.
You know what I mean?
I'm on the boat.
Yo, you gotta take a bite real quick, guys. Yo, DJ, it's crazy, right?
No.
Let me see. Take it. Blow it first.
I got
Blow it.
He said, what he said, y'all, and my husband don't lie. So make sure y'all make this meal for y'all family too, okay? Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Purpose, what's your passion? Did it pay? What's your play? Is it play? On the play? How to play? I'm just playing.